Hello there. Welcome to my channel, Maze's Life, where I'm terrible at managing money, but trying to get better. So with today's video, I am on month 3 of my monthly debt confessions. Last month, I tried to speed through the video, and it ended up being even longer than my initial debt confessions video. So I am going to try and make this one short and simple, easy and quick. So let's get started. So for my overall debt picture, we are on the month of November 23, specifically November 7th, as that is important, as I've said before, because all of my bills and everything comes out at the beginning of the month because I only get paid once a month, and that is at the beginning. All right, so for my USAA signature, my previous balance was $2,764.50, and my new balance for the month is $2,736.50, which is a difference of $28. So just my minimum monthly payment. Then for my City Diamond, last month my balance was $3,776.99, and now it's $3,735.99. And that is the difference of my minimum payment, which is $41. My Bank of America Platinum last month was $6,581 now and 50 cents, and now it's $6,516.50. I should probably pay off the cents so they're even. And that is a difference of $65, which is my new monthly minimum payment. It goes down about, I don't know, what would we say, like $1 a month so far? Yeah, that's pretty much it. So my USA rate, that's the credit card that I still use because it's got the lowest interest rates, except for my Calco's Credit Union, but I only have a credit limit of $500. But I just had that increase to actually $1,500. So that's just to help out with my credit score. But my USA rate, that's the card that I'm still continuously using because, like I said, I do not make enough money. But this month, I did not go up as much as I did last month because I have been negotiating my bills and I have been putting my spending more in check than in prior months. So it still went up, but it did not go up nearly as much as it did last month. These were all negatives, but this was unfortunately a positive of $138.83. Okay, then moving on to my Chase Sapphire. Last month it was $8,844.30, and now it is $8,734.62, which is a difference of $109.68. So last month my credit card new balance increased from where I started. This month, due to everything that I've already mentioned, it has decreased, and loves to see it because this is the first time in over a year that it's decreased. And that is going to be a difference of $104.85. All right, I'm so happy I'm finally on the correct track. I don't know what took me so long to get here. I do have some more things that I'm working on, such as a raise, hopefully, in the near future. We'll see next month. But yes, so now we have my loans. So those are my credit cards. That's my credit card total, the difference. But now we're gonna go on into my loans. This is also all the debt that I have. I do not have any mortgages, bankruptcies, or anything to that effect. This is all my debt. All right, so my limit went down $1,297, which is the difference of the minimum monthly payment, just about. Then my student loan, it is now at $11,717.30, which is a difference of exactly $83.15. Then we have my auto loan, which is now down to $12,214.52, which is a difference of $249.12. Yay. And then my personal loan, which last month was $13,495. It's my largest debt to date. It is now at $13,107, which is a difference of $388, which is about $4 more than last month. So the interest is slowly going away as I pay off these loans. All right, so my new balance for my loans did decrease down to $38,000. Oh, that's a mistake. Oh gosh dang it, what am I doing? Why isn't this working? Come on. There we go. $38,300. Oh, it's very ugly. Look at that. I just scooch, 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 scooch. Did I do it? Well, we'll have to call that sufficient. All right, $38,335.02, which is a difference of $757, wow, $93. I wish it was that much. Unfortunately not. So I didn't write this down. So we already knew that my last month's total debt beginning of the month was $70,229.51. But now, and let me just highlight this as well. And move you all up so that you can see. So now my new balance is $69,000. So we're now officially out of the 70s. Oh my goodness. I've been in the 70s quite a bit, actually. I know this is month 3 for you all, but this is reality for me. But anyways, we're now finally out of the 70s, thousands, now into 69,000s, and let's see how much of a difference that is. I did not calculate that beforehand, so I have to enjoy the sounds of me click, click, clacking off screen. All right, that is a difference of $862.12. Is that right? Oh yes, I'm looking at the wrong thing. All right, yes. All right, so that is my month 3. Let's look at my monthly trackers. So first we have my total debt tracker. It doesn't quite all fit in the screen. That's all right. So each box is $718. And for this month, we can only color in, one box. So, I don't know why I'm choosing blue. Anyways, and then that'll be for November of 23. So not as good as last month, but still making progress. We are no longer out of the 70 grand, and yeah, just slowly but surely moving forward. And also, I am not yet at my $1,000 savings, so that's also why taking so long to pay off these credit cards. I'm trying to get that $1,000 emergency fund first, and it's actually slowly dwindling. It's doing the opposite of what I want to do. All right, now my credit cards, even though we did go down month to month, we are still up from where we began, so I cannot yet color in any of the boxes for my credit cards. All right, so then moving down to my loans. So for my loans, I can probably color in. So let me do the calculations real quick, because I did not do them already. So I can now color in a total of 6 boxes. So because I've already colored in 4 for the month of October, I can now color in 2 boxes for the month of November. Making sure I'm still in frame. All right, okay, and that is my progress so far, especially during my month 3 debt confessions and my breakdown of my now under $70,000 of debt. So thank you for following along with my debt journey. I hope you stayed till the end of the video, and I'd like to have you join this journey with me. So if you hit the subscribe, tap the like, and leave a comment, I would greatly appreciate it. My next video will be tomorrow. And if you have any advice, please leave it down below, as I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you, and until then, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye, guys.